Have you ever felt drained after interacting with certain people or being in specific situations? If so, you're not alone. Many of us have experienced the feeling of having our energy depleted, leaving us tired, anxious, or negative. This is why it's crucial to understand the importance of protecting your energy and the impact it has on your overall well-being. Energy and vibrations are fundamental concepts that shape our lives. Everything in the universe is made up of energy and has its own unique vibration. From the food we eat to the people we interact with, each element carries its own energy signature. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions also have a significant impact on our personal energy and vibrations. When we think positively, engage in activities that bring us joy, and surround ourselves with uplifting individuals, we raise our vibrations and attract more positive experiences into our lives. On the other hand, when we allow ourselves to be consumed by negative thoughts, emotions, or situations, our vibrations lower and we become more susceptible to energy drains. Low vibrations can manifest in various ways, such as feeling persistently tired, anxious, or pessimistic. When we operate from a place of low vibrations, we tend to attract more negative experiences and people into our lives, creating a cycle that can be difficult to break. To protect your energy and raise your vibrations, it's essential to recognize the signs of low vibrations and identify the sources of energy drains in your life. Common energy drains include toxic relationships, negative self-talk, and unhealthy environments. These drains can manifest in different ways, such as constantly feeling criticized by a friend, engaging in self-deprecating thoughts, or working in a stressful and unsupportive workplace. By becoming aware of your personal energy drains, you can take steps to minimize their impact and protect your energy. One of the most effective ways to do this is by setting boundaries. Boundaries are essential for maintaining healthy relationships and protecting your well-being. Learning to say no to situations or people that drain your energy is an act of self-love and self-respect. It's okay to limit the time you spend with negative individuals or in environments that don't support your growth. In addition to setting boundaries, cultivating positive energy is key to raising your vibrations. The power of positive thinking cannot be overstated. When you focus on the good in your life, express gratitude, and engage in activities that bring you joy, you attract more positive experiences and people into your reality. Simple techniques like practicing gratitude, repeating affirmations, or surrounding yourself with uplifting quotes and images can help you maintain a positive mindset. Grounding techniques are another powerful tool for protecting your energy and staying centered. Grounding involves connecting with the Earth's energy to promote a sense of stability and balance. When you feel overwhelmed or disconnected, taking a few minutes to walk barefoot in nature, sit on the ground, or visualize roots growing from your feet into the earth can help you feel more grounded and present. Energy cleansing rituals are also effective for maintaining high vibrations. These rituals help clear away negative energy and create a fresh, positive space. Smudging, which involves burning sage or other herbs, is a popular energy cleansing technique. As the smoke wafts through your space, it is believed to purify the air and remove any lingering negativity. Salt baths are another cleansing ritual that can help remove negative energy from your body and promote relaxation. Self-care is an essential component of protecting your energy and raising your vibrations. When you prioritize self-care, you send a message to yourself and others that your well-being matters. Self-care practices can vary from person to person, but some common examples include yoga, meditation, reading, spending time in nature, or pursuing a hobby that brings you joy. By making self-care a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, you create a foundation of positive energy that supports your overall well-being. Surrounding yourself with high-vibe people is another key aspect of protecting your energy. The people we spend time with have a significant impact on our own energy and vibrations. When you surround yourself with individuals who have positive attitudes, support your growth, and inspire you to be your best self, you naturally raise your own vibrations. Seek out communities or groups that align with your values and encourage you to pursue your goals and dreams. Remember, protecting your energy and raising your vibrations is an ongoing process. It requires consistent effort and awareness to maintain a positive mindset and surround yourself with uplifting influences. By implementing the techniques and practices discussed in this video, you can take control of your energy and create a life that is filled with joy, purpose, and abundance. As you go through your day, pay attention to how different situations and interactions make you feel. Notice when your energy feels drained and take steps to protect yourself. Set boundaries when necessary, engage in self-care practices that recharge your batteries, and surround yourself with people and environments that support your growth. Trust in your own power to create positive change in your life. You have the ability to protect your energy and raise your vibrations, no matter what challenges come your way. By prioritizing your well-being and staying connected to your inner wisdom, you can navigate life with grace, resilience, and joy. As you continue on your journey of personal and spiritual growth, remember that you are not alone. Many people are on a similar path, seeking to live a life that is authentic, fulfilling, and aligned with their highest potential. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether in person or online, and lean on their guidance and encouragement when needed. Protecting your energy and raising your vibrations is a powerful way to create a life that is rich in meaning, purpose, and abundance. By being mindful of your thoughts, emotions, and actions, setting healthy boundaries, engaging in self-care, and surrounding yourself with positive influences, you can cultivate a strong foundation of positive energy that will support you in all areas of your life. As you implement these practices and techniques, be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and there will be moments when you feel challenged or discouraged. In those moments, remember to be kind to yourself and trust in the process. Each step you take towards protecting your energy and raising your vibrations is a step towards a more fulfilling and joyful life. The secret to protecting your energy and raising your vibrations lies within you. By becoming aware of your energy drains, setting boundaries, cultivating positive energy, engaging in grounding and cleansing rituals, prioritizing self-care, and surrounding yourself with high-vibe people, you have the power to create a life that is authentic, fulfilling, and aligned with your highest potential. So start today. Take one small step towards protecting your energy and raising your vibrations. Whether it's saying no to a draining social engagement, taking a few minutes to meditate, or reaching out to a supportive friend, each action you take matters. Over time, these small steps will compound, creating a powerful shift in your energy and your life. Remember, you are worthy of living a life that is filled with joy, abundance, and purpose. By protecting your energy and raising your vibrations, you are honoring your innate worth and creating a reality that reflects your highest potential. Trust in yourself, stay committed to your journey, and know that you have the power to create a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the secret to protecting your energy and raising your vibrations. I hope that the insights and techniques shared in this video have empowered you to take control of your energy and create a life that is truly fulfilling. Remember, your energy is your greatest asset. Protect it, nurture it, and watch as your world transforms in miraculous ways.